So a lot of sellers have been saying to me recently, oh, just last year I put on a $10,000 roof, so obviously the house is worth $10,000 more. Well, if it's a $100,000 house and you put a $10,000 roof on it, that doesn't necessarily mean the house is now worth $110,000. So when you do things such as replace the air conditioner unit or replace the roof or replace the water heater and stuff like that, really kind of keeping up with the functionality of the home and making sure that the house is working in proper order and that there's no leaks in the ceiling, that there is hot water coming out of the sinks, that the air conditioner is working properly. It doesn't necessarily add an enormous amount of value dollar for dollar to what you spent for those types of repairs, but what it does do is it adds marketability to the home. So if somebody is looking for a home and there's two houses next to each other for the same price, one has a new roof and a new air conditioner, a new water heater and stuff like that, they're obviously going to go for the one with the upgrades and the the recent repairs to it. There's a difference between upgrading and replacing. If something needs replacing, that just simply secures the value of the home. If something is upgraded, that adds value to the home.